Hey guys, today we're gonna be play some this game. Yep, 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 yep. La 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 la. Erase data. Yep. Adventure and normal. Purple man. And done. Cause I haven't played this game for a long time. I mean, it's not the original one, but it is kind of like the original one. I'm Wolfit. Welcome to my store, please. I don't have enough. I have nothing, so I can buy nothing. Ooh, good chest. Now that's the coincidence. I think that was the reason why. Virtual Freddy. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. So it seems like I'm going to have to fix it. Come on. Whew. We just started. Head start string. Head start defense. Chips. E and done. Let me touch our hands. That's what normally equipping does. It normally does. You can just go to free. Here I will upgrade and let's go to resist major damage. They cost a lot, but I'm sure they're worth it. But oh yeah, they do cost a lot. Defense 0% if cut the right bond. We should play a game. Hmm. You will not do that again. Okay. Almost have a lot. Well, that tree looks pretty. I wonder what happened if you touched it. Obviously, terrible things would be unleashed from it. No, I'm joking. This tree is glitched. Touching it will lead you to another layer underneath the game. It seems there's more objects interfere. And I don't like being. Ew. Can I fight now? Can I fight? No. Hmm. Okay, fine. I want to fight. Do do dun 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 dun. Yep, sorry. I'm gonna go here. Jack of Bonnie, save him. Okay, never mind then. I'm going upstairs and buying something. Come on, come on, give me some monies. Eh, mm. Ow. Let's go to the portal again because Lizzie led me nowhere. Dun 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 dun. Finally, there we go. So we wanna go. Ooh, golden one. Oh, come on. I don't want to talk. I just want to get a new character. And two monsters. I'm a monster. I want to fight you. And I will. Ooh, super guy. Now on your side. You can't. This is loud. 50 tokens. Pretty nice. Snazzy. Oh, wait. New chip. Weak. Chips. What does this do? Okay, clipping that. I want to fight somebody. Oh, fight. I forgot. That's how you find this game. E. Finally defeated him. Oh, wait, hold on. What's it? Back. Shadow! Yay! Yeah, let's be Shadow Freddy. Follow me this way. You'll never get this clip like this. Why? I don't have enough tokens. Come on, Kizzy. Yes, ma'am. I just how much stuff he has. What? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hey. Chica, happy dream! Yay! Shadow! New, have a new party, Rita. We got Shadow Boy. I'm happy now. Let's go to my party. Ooh, ES key. That's what your name attack is. I think I might swap you with. Mm, you pretty good. You're pretty good. Okay, reset. No, reset. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need heals. You can be on the other team though. Toy Freddy, you're still in. You can still be in. You can still be in. I don't want you though. And done. Fight. Round. We go. We is 200. Oh, that's pretty decent for you. Oh, pizza with 2. Oh, I should replace you with Freddy. Pretty good, decent, aren't you? Right here. Hey, how the heck did I get to you? This is going to be where I ended. Goodbye.